Have you ever felt tired or heavy after eating, even if you believed you were making good choices? After breakfast, your joints might hurt a little more, or your digestion might feel slower than it did before. Now, here's a question that you should ponder about. What if the simple egg, which you've always trusted, is secretly bad for you because of how you consume it? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could revolutionize how you eat your eggs in the morning. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel before we start. This channel is only for older people. Every week we provide you natural remedies, medical advice, and lifestyle suggestions to help you live healthier, happier, and more independently after age 60. These tips will help you improve your digestion, protect your heart, strengthen your bones, sharpen your memory, and boost your energy. You'll never miss the easy tips that can make your golden years better, safer, and more pleasant if you sign up. So get a cup of hot water or tea, sit back, and let's talk about how to make your eggs work for you instead of against you. 1. Mistake. Cooking your eggs too long. Most people don't know this, but how you boil your eggs can either help or hurt you. When you boil or fry eggs for too long, the protein in them gets hard and hard for your body to break down. That grayish-green ring that sometimes appears around the yolk, that suggests the egg's nutrients were harmed by too much heat. If you think about it, an egg that has been cooked too long is like a piece of leather. It's tough, rubbery, and harder for your body to deal with. For example, Mr. John is 68 years old and lives in Florida. Every morning, he fried his eggs until they were crispy and hard. But he often felt slow after that. His doctor told him to switch to soft-boiled eggs, and within a week, the bloating went away and his mornings felt better. And tip: soft-boiled or softly scrambled eggs are preferable for older people. Use olive or avocado oil and cook over low heat. How do you generally cook your eggs? Do you hard-boil, fry, or scramble them? Please leave a comment below. Your answer could benefit someone else. Don't put that salt shaker down yet. The salt within could silently elevate your blood pressure. Mistake 2. Putting in too much salt or processed foods. A lot of folks are surprised by this one. Adding extra salt, cheese, or bacon to eggs makes them unhealthy since they are full of sodium. Too much salt makes your body hang on to water and elevates blood pressure, which isn't good for older hearts. Add eggs to that, and you've got too much for your arteries to handle. For example, Mrs. Patricia, who is 72 and lives in Sydney, 2 fried eggs, a slice of cheese, and crispy bacon made up her classic breakfast. Later, the doctor told her that her blood pressure was getting higher. She replaced the bacon with avocado, cut back on the salt, and added herbs. Her numbers went down in just a few weeks. Better option: use herbs that add taste, like black pepper, turmeric, or parsley. They keep your heart healthy and make the eggs taste fantastic. Your breakfast should give you energy, not make you tired. You deserve to feel light and strong every morning. And speaking of mornings, the next error might be just next to your plate. 3. Mistake 3. Drinking tea or coffee with eggs. What do you think occurs when you put eggs in your morning coffee or tea? It may seem harmless, but it could be keeping your body from getting vital nutrients. Tannins are in coffee and tea. They are like microscopic shields that keep your body from taking in iron and calcium from the eggs. That can lead to weaker bones and less energy over time. For example, Mr. Robert from London. He drank black tea and ate eggs every morning. He observed that his nails were brittle and his bones hurt a few years later. His nutritionist found out that his tea habit was discreetly taking nutrients from his breakfast. Easy fix: don't drink tea or coffee for 30 to 45 minutes after eating eggs. A better way to start is with warm water and lemon. Do you drink coffee or tea with your eggs? Please let me know here that you are not alone. But there's another typical breakfast mistake that can raise your blood sugar and rob your vitality even more than coffee. Mistake 4. Putting eggs with refined carbs. This is a big surprise, Eggs and white bread can look fantastic together, but they don't work well together in your body. Refined carbs, such as white bread, pancakes, or sugary cereal, make blood sugar levels rise quickly. The body responds by making insulin, which turns more sugar into fat. This can cause belly obesity, inflammation, and tiredness over time. Breakfast is like a team. Even if one player is healthy and the other is sick, the game is still not excellent. It's like putting a sugar villain and a health hero on the same squad. You already know who wins that fight. Instead of eggs, try whole grain bread, sautéed vegetables, or half an avocado. You'll stay full longer and not run out of energy. The next mistake seems harmless, but it's one of the main reasons why a lot of older people feel bloated after breakfast. Mysore Niksa 5 Mistake 5. Putting eggs and milk or dairy together. The old power combo was eggs and milk. But it can be hard for older people to digest. When you eat eggs and milk together, your stomach gets confused since they need distinct sorts of digestion. What happened? A sense of heaviness and sleepiness, as well as gas and bloating. I always felt tired after my egg and milk breakfast, said one viewer from Canada. I felt lighter and more awake when I stopped drinking milk and started drinking herbal tea. A tip. If you drink milk, do it at least an hour before or after eggs, or use almond or oat milk instead. They are softer and easier to digest. We've already found 5 easy mistakes, and you're halfway to making your eggs the healthiest thing in your kitchen. Let's keep going. The next one happens right near the stove. 6. Mistake 6. Using the wrong cooking oils. Your breakfast might be ruined or made better by the oils you use. When you fried eggs in butter, margarine, or vegetable oils that smoke easily, the compounds in the oils break down the cholesterol in the yolk. Those burnt oils might harm your arteries. Dr. Lisa, a senior nutritionist, says, "The cholesterol in eggs isn't bad. It's the damaged oil that makes them bad." Better option, you can use olive oil, avocado oil, or a little coconut oil. Cook on medium heat for a long time. You can still ruin all the good things that happen when you eat eggs if you do one more thing. 7 Mistake 7. Eating eggs at the wrong time of day. Eggs are like sunshine food. They taste best when the sun is still up. A lot of older people eat eggs at night for a quick meal, but that can make them sick or keep them awake. Eating protein late can make your stomach work harder while you try to sleep because it takes longer to digest. When is the ideal time to eat eggs? Morning or midday, when your body is best at digesting food. Eating eggs earlier helps control appetite, keep blood sugar levels stable, and keep you awake, according to studies. Do you normally eat eggs in the morning or at night? Please share here. I'd love to know. But there's one more thing that alters everything: where your eggs come from, not how you prepare them. 8 Mistake 8. Not paying attention to where your eggs come from. There are differences between eggs. Some came from chickens that were given antibiotics and bad food, which makes the eggs have less nutrients and more harmful fats. That means greater cholesterol and a poorer immune system for older people. Tip: pick eggs that are organic or come from free-range hens. They have higher vitamin D, omega-3s, and antioxidants, which are all good for your brain and heart. If you can, get eggs from a local farm. Eggs that are fresher taste better and are usually better for you. Now let's fix one last mistake. It's easy to make, colorful, and can change the way your body treats breakfast. 9. Mistake 9. Not eating vegetables with your eggs. Eggs have a lot of protein, but not a lot of fiber. Without fiber, digestion slows down, which can cause constipation and pain that many older people don't talk about. The answer is simple. Put some color on your dish. Tomatoes, spinach, onions, and bell peppers make your eggs look colorful and keep your intestines healthy. A vegetable omelet or a salad on the side makes your breakfast a healthy, balanced meal. Your plate should look alive since food that is colorful keeps you alive longer. We're getting there. And this last mistake could surprise you the most. 10. Mistake 10. Not paying attention to your body's signals. No one talks about this, yet your body changes as you get older. Your digestion might not feel the same today, even if you've eaten eggs for 40 years. Some older people feel bloated, itchy, or weary after eating eggs. These could be indicators of a moderate sensitivity. But they often say, it's just old age. If eggs make you feel bad, don't ignore it. You could try eating less at a time or taking short pauses. Your body doesn't always need to be restricted. It just needs to relax. Your body talks to you more plainly after you turn 60. Listening is the most important thing. Ending with a heartfelt ending. Let's quickly review everything we learned. Don't cook your eggs too long. Low heat is your buddy. Cut back on salt and processed foods. Don't mix with tea, coffee, or white bread. Keep milk separate so that it digests better. Use oils that are good for you, like olive or avocado. Have eggs for breakfast. Whenever you can, choose organic or free range. Add veggies for color and fiber. And most importantly, pay attention to what your body is telling you. Making small modifications to your breakfast can make your life more comfortable and strong for years. Every day you wake up healthy is a blessing, and it all starts with what you eat. Please like, share, and subscribe if you thought this video was helpful. By signing up, you'll get weekly health recommendations for seniors that will help you stay healthy, independent, and full of energy. And today's question is, do you enjoy your eggs boiled, poached, or in an omelet? Please share below so we can know what our healthy community likes best. Thanks for watching. Stay well and happy. And don't forget that your finest years can still be your healthiest years.